Hi, my name's Tiffany Bociek. I'm an Encaustic artist from San Diego, California. Encaustic is essentially layering hot wax, and so encaustic means to fuse or to burn in, I should say. And so each layer gets fused together. I use a torch, I use a heat gun, sometimes I even use the sun. So I usually start with a substrate that has it's got to be a porous substrate, so wood. And then I typically will, mark up the painting, just make marks for fun so it's not a blank, and then I'll go over with about 3 or 4 layers of a clear wax. From there you can really do a lot of different stuff. For me, this is where I start to work a little bit more intuitively, where I have my color selection that I've already laid out for myself, and then I just start making marks and burn in each layer. And it's a really beautiful process because you have so much that you can do with it. One of the things that I've really been enjoying lately is creating a really layered background, and then I'll take a knife and I'll scrape back and I'll reveal some of the layers, because it's wax, so as you're building up, some are going to be taller, some layers are going to be taller, some layers are going to be deeper down, and so as you're scraping, sometimes the top remains, but you can scrape down to the layers underneath. It's just a really fun process. I like to carve in, it's called incising. You can carve into the wax, and then you can lay another color in, you scrape that back, you can have like really fine line details running through it. You can do photo transfers, so I do photo transferring a lot. It's a really fun process with the wax, because it's never perfect. When you do a photo transfer, if you don't have on the wax, when it's not perfectly smooth, sometimes the photo won't completely adhere and that portion will go. And so it's about, my process of making the encaustic is also about coming to the recognition, or coming to the understanding with myself that perfection is not the ultimate goal. It's, for me, an emotional expression.